Who named the craters on the moon? And why do they sound like spells from a dusty Latin textbook? Let me rewind. In 1609, Galileo points a telescope at the moon and sketches what he sees. Dark plains, bright highlands, jagged edges. He calls the dark plains Maria, or seas, because honestly, they look like oceans. Then in 1647, Johannes Hevelius maps the moon and labels features after places on Earth. Lunar Alps, Caucasus. But the big naming shakeup comes in 1651 when Jesuit astronomers Giovanni Riccioli and Francesco Grimaldi publish a map that sticks. They give the Maria poetic Latin names, Mare Tranquillitatis, Sea of Tranquility, Mare Imbrium, Sea of Showers. For craters, they honor scholars and scientists from many eras, Copernicus, Tycho, Kepler. That mix of poetry and credit becomes the blueprint. Fast forward to the 20th century. The International Astronomical Union, IAU, forms in 1919 and becomes the referee for naming. Their rules? Craters get named after deceased scientists, engineers, explorers, cultural figures tied to science. Keep it international, avoid duplication, no commercial or political hype. When the Soviet Luna 3 mission photographs the far side in 1959, suddenly there's a whole new lunar neighborhood to label. Later, Apollo astronauts add local names on the ground. Stadio Tranquillitatis marks Apollo 11's landing site. And some features near landing zones eventually get official status. Today, proposals still go through the IAU Working Group for Planetary System Nomenclature. You can't name a crater after your cat, but a late, legendary physicist? Maybe. The goal is a map the whole world can read. So, who named the craters? First, a few bold map makers. Now, a global scientific process that blends history language and exploration. So every bump and basin on the moon tells a human story.